Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a Markdown link into your notes in the Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your note inside the Obsidian Notes application and your workspace. Then find the position or place you would like to place your Markdown link, and then guys enter the command /Markdown link. Here you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+K, and then enter your Markdown or type in Markdown link like this, for example. Now, if you don't see that command here, for example, let me press enter to skip to the next line. So that's the Markdown link. If you don't see that that option with the slash button, and then you see insert Markdown, if you don't see that, it may be because you haven't enabled these slash commands yet. You can do that through your Vault settings in the bottom left, navigate to core plugins, and here you will need to enable slash commands so that you can enter these commands using the slash key on your keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.